Hello YouTube and welcome to lesson 8 of the Microsoft PowerPoint tutorial series, and today we're going to look at how to add in header and footer inside of Microsoft PowerPoint. So for that I'm going to create a new PowerPoint file right here. So let me just click on new and then let me just choose any of the like the template over here. So I'm going to add a new slide, and you can see that there is nothing in the footer section or the header section of my PowerPoint window right here. Let's say you want to repeat information in all of the pages, you might want to add that, just like in Microsoft Word, if you've seen my Microsoft Word tutorial. So in order to insert header and footer, you can simply go to Insert menu right here, and then you'll be able to see header and footer. Alright, so for header and footer, you simply go over here. You can see that it is here, located here. Just click on it, and you can see that right now nothing is being displayed over here. So you can click on date and time, and what it does is it'll actually show the date and time of the slide right here. So you can see how it'll appear on the right side over here. So it'll appear somewhere over here. You can select update automatically, so whenever the slide opens, the date will be updated automatically if you were to choose this. And if you were to choose fixed, you can actually just select the date manually and type it in the one you wish to. So I'm going to select update automatically, and over here you can actually see the drop down menu of how you can actually set the date. Set the update manually of the date itself. So you can select the format that you want, and you can see that now I've selected this format. You can also enable the slide number, so you can see that it'll actually appear over here, as you can see. So date and time, it'll actually appear over here, and the footer you can also apply something like that. So I'm gonna say in the footer text, I'm gonna add in something called tutor2. So I'm gonna say TUTORTUBE. So this is the one, and I can not show this on the title page. So this is how you can apply that. So this is how you apply header and footer. Let me just, if you were to click just on apply, then it'll only apply on the slide being selected, but if you want to apply it on everything, just click on apply to all, and you can see that I got my tutor right here, I got my date right here. You can resize this out just like that, and you can see that the slide number is displayed right here. So I'm going to copy and paste. I'm going to create a new slide, and you can see the same format over here as well. But over here you can see that this is not being formatted correctly over here, so I can go into my master page. So gonna go over here into view section. I'm gonna go into my handout master. Alright, no, sorry, I want to go into the master slide. So I'm gonna go into view right here and gonna go into slide master. So over here you can see this. So I want to change this out so it actually seems okay, and I'm gonna close this out. And now if I were to create a new slide, you can see that the date change actually is okay. So I'm gonna click new slide, and you can see that the dates are okay in all of the slides that are created. So that is how you can use header and footer and work with header and footer inside of Microsoft PowerPoint. Hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.